With Russian submarine activity on the rise, the UK has quietly rolled out a new class of stealthy underwater surveillance drones, the SG-1 Phantom. Originally developed for environmental research, these cutting-edge gliders are now being used to monitor key naval zones, silently and continuously, for signs of enemy subs. Unlike traditional drones, the SG-1 Phantom has no propellers or engines. Instead, it drifts with ocean currents at a slow 1 to 2 knots, making it almost impossible to detect using conventional sonar or magnetic systems. Its silence is its greatest weapon, blending seamlessly into the acoustic background of the sea. What makes this system truly game-changing is its integration with Lura, a powerful AI developed by European defense tech company Helsing. Lura enables the drone to not just hear the ocean, but to intelligently analyze acoustic signals in real time. According to its creators, Lura can identify even ultra-quiet submarine signatures 10 times more accurately and 40 times faster than a trained sonar operator. Here's how it works. Once deployed, the drone begins passively listening using sensitive underwater microphones called hydrophones. Lura detects subtle cues, the rhythm of a propeller, the faint hum of a nuclear power source, to identify potential threats. If it confirms a likely hostile submarine, the Phantom surfaces, deploys a compact satellite antenna, and transmits the intel back to command. Each drone is just under 2 meters long, 28 centimeters wide, and weighs around 60 kilograms, small enough to be launched from any vessel. With a battery life of up to 3 months, it can operate autonomously without maintenance. Once the battery runs low, it returns to the surface for retrieval and redeployment. But perhaps the boldest part of the strategy is scale. The UK plans to deploy hundreds, eventually thousands, of SG-1 Phantoms across the Atlantic, from the Barents Sea to the Mediterranean. These swarms would form a silent, continuous surveillance net, a low-cost, high-coverage alternative to traditional patrol ships. Despite costing less than 10% of what it takes to operate a crewed naval vessel, the Phantom offers persistent, AI-driven monitoring across vast ocean areas. One operator can manage hundreds of drones from a single control center,